At Treetops House, we provide smart 4K HD TVs in all the bedrooms, which are free to use. We do provide Netflix on each of the TVs, so you can choose whichever show you wish to use. Now, to use them, you just need the remote control. You can turn on Netflix by just pushing the Netflix button, which is here. This will activate the television and Netflix will load up. And then you can choose which profile you wish. So here we're in Maple Room, just push OK. That'll activate that profile, but you're free to use any of them, it doesn't matter. There's also a children's one for those that wish to have PG rated and no adult maturity section. To use Netflix, you just use the up and down arrows, so you can then scroll through. These are all provided to you. If you find a show you would like, you just push the OK button, which is in the middle here. To turn off the television, just push the red button. And that's how to use Netflix on televisions in the bedrooms. Thank you.